Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create Grindr account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to internet and you have already downloaded Grindr app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to create Grindr account. Grindr application is the world's largest social networking app for gay, bi, trans and queer people. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Grindr app. Here we go. Now at the top right corner you can see that sign up option, tap on that. Now you have to fill up this information to create account, or also you can choose the option of continue with Apple, Google or Facebook. Here I will be choosing the option Facebook. Tap on Facebook, tap on continue. Make sure that you are already logged into your Facebook account. Tap on open. Now tap on continue. Now you have to fill up this information. You have to select your date of birth. After you are done, tap on next on this yellow icon. Now you have to fill up this information. You can select the display name first and then age. You can choose the option to show your age, or if you don't want to show your age, you can turn off this icon in this way. You can select the gender if you want to. After you are done, tap on this arrow on the top left corner. You can also select the profile picture if you want to. But for now, I will be skipping this process. After you are done, you can tap on next on the top right corner. Here you can choose the tags. After you are done, you can tap on save on the bottom. You can see that I have easily created Grindr account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to create Grindr account. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down below what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.